Welcome back. Here's what's making headlines today. Pakistan International Airlines has resumed direct flights from Dubai to Skardu, enhancing access to the breathtaking landscapes of Gilgit-Baltistan. This move aims to boost tourism and strengthen ties between the United Arab Emirates and Pakistan. In a significant admission, India's Chief of Defence Staff has confirmed the loss of fighter jets during the May clashes with Pakistan. This marks the first official acknowledgement of such losses in the recent conflict. Pakistan is reportedly considering the acquisition of China's advanced PL-21 air-to-air missiles, potentially to equip its future J-35A stealth fighters. This move could significantly enhance Pakistan's aerial combat capabilities. The recent four-day conflict between India and Pakistan is estimated to have cost approximately $4 billion, factoring in military expenditures and equipment losses. The financial toll underscores the high stakes of modern warfare. Amid rising India-Pakistan tensions, a Chinese nuclear submarine has docked at Gwadar Port. This strategic move highlights deepening China-Pakistan ties, adding pressure to the regional balance in the Arabian Sea. You're tuned into Pakistangeo Defence Updates, delivering exclusive coverage of Pakistan's defense posture and global military affairs. Subscribe for daily briefings and insight. Amid the recent India-Pakistan border clashes, speculation arose regarding China's involvement in providing real-time intelligence to Pakistan. While analysts suggest China may have gleaned valuable data from the conflict, including the performance of its own weapons used by Pakistan, official statements from Beijing deny any direct intelligence sharing. The situation underscores the complex dynamics of regional alliances and the strategic interests at play. Pakistan's space capabilities are advancing through collaboration with China's Beidou satellite navigation system. This partnership enhances Pakistan's precision in geospatial applications, benefiting both civilian and military operations. The integration of Beidou supports Pakistan's shift from reliance on the US-owned GPS offering, improved accuracy and strategic autonomy in navigation and timing services. In a significant development, Pakistan, China, and Afghanistan have agreed to extend the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, CPEC, into Afghan territory. This expansion aims to bolster regional connectivity and economic integration under China's Belt and Road Initiative. The move is expected to facilitate infrastructure development and trade, while also addressing security concerns through enhanced cooperation among the three nations. Pakistan, Iran, and Turkey are exploring the formation of a trilateral defense pact to strengthen regional security and military collaboration. This proposed alliance seeks to enhance joint training, intelligence sharing, and defense technology development among the three countries. The initiative reflects a strategic shift towards greater regional cooperation in response to evolving geopolitical challenges. Following recent cross-border hostilities, officials have confirmed that Pakistan's nuclear facilities remain completely secure and untouched. Despite intense speculation and misinformation circulating online, all strategic assets are fully operational and under tight military protection. The Pakistan Strategic Plans Division reiterated that stringent protocols were followed, ensuring no compromise to critical infrastructure. Experts say this highlights Pakistan's robust defense measures, especially in safeguarding its nuclear deterrent. The government urges calm, emphasizing that any claims of damage are baseless and aimed at psychological warfare. Pakistan's defense minister has welcomed the role of the United States in helping reduce tensions with India. He said that peaceful talks are better than conflict and war. The minister believes that outside help, especially from countries like the US, can support peace in South Asia. He also said that Pakistan wants peace, but will always protect its people and borders. The US has called for calm and communication between both countries. This support is seen as a positive step during this difficult time between Pakistan and India. Pakistan has introduced a new electronic warfare system called Takbir. This advanced system is designed to block enemy signals and protect Pakistan's airspace from modern threats. The Defense Ministry says Takbir can detect, jam, and confuse enemy radars and missiles. It also helps in protecting communication systems during any conflict. Experts say this is a big step forward in Pakistan's defense technology. The system was made with local engineering, showing Pakistan's growing ability to build high-tech military tools. Takbir is now part of the Armed Forces Defense Network. The Pak-China Ballistic Shield project has now entered its final testing phase, marking a major step forward in regional missile defense cooperation. This joint initiative aims to provide both countries with advanced interception capability against ballistic threats, with technology adapted from China's HQ series and customized for Pakistan's strategic requirements. Defense officials say the system integrates multi-layered radars and high-speed interceptors capable of neutralizing medium-range ballistic missiles. Final field trials are currently underway in a classified testing zone, with operational deployment expected within a year. If successful, this system could significantly alter the strategic balance in South Asia.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, please subscribe to our channel for more updates and insights. Like this video to show your support. And don't forget to answer today's question.